Hi there. If you're wondering what is the DataSelf next generation data warehousing with business intelligence with AI, so we have four main components as part of this platform. The first one is ETL Plus. ETL Plus is a tool to extract, transform and clean your data from raw systems like, Sage ERP. We support all the Sage ERPs and CRM systems and other systems. We cover hundreds of data sources that we can bring to your data warehouse code-free. So ETL Plus will mirror your data in your data warehouse, and AI-powered will help you with extraction, filtering, cleaning, being sure that the data will be ready for reporting and maintaining the single version of truth at the database level. Step number two, the second component we call DFT Plus, Dimension Fact Time Modeling. So when you start a BI project or you're working on a BI project, a big part of the pain is actually modeling the data. What tables, how to link them, how to filter them, how to build business logics. A lot of that modeling is pre-configured out of the box, but is AI powered. You can easily modify it. Our framework is no code, low code, full code. So it gives you a lot of a big head start, but you can easily customize it. This DFT model, DFT Plus, also leverage Star and Galaxy schemas. Probably Star schema you already have heard about, but Galaxy schema is the latest development for modeling. And there are many use cases that were impossible with Star schemas that now Galaxy schemas are pretty powerful. The third component we call KPI Plus. KPI Plus is a package of thousands of report, dashboard templates, for construction business, for distribution, manufacturing, e-commerce companies, professional services companies. There's a lot of different verticals that we have this industry-specific best practice library of KPIs ready to go on day one, and again, customizable, where your BI project can dramatically accelerate, covering lots of different business areas: AP, AR, GL, P&L, balance sheet, accounting, project accounting, sales, inventory, shipments, CRM and whatnot. The last component we call AI Plus. Of course, AI nowadays is pretty critical. And our AI components, they work across all of the layers, the ETL Plus, the DFT Plus, the KPI Plus, to help people in the back end, business analysts and data scientists, to do their back end work with your data, being sure the single version of truth is maintained, you have data governance, whatnot, and then also assist decision makers asking questions about their data and having the AI assist to get the answers accurately, anytime, anywhere. To learn more at the Sage Conference, Sage Future Conference, just stop our booth, DataSelf booth, and hope you to see you in San Francisco.